Today we're making an easy, creamy one-pot chicken pasta. It's absolutely delicious. And best of all, you won't have a pile of dishes to clean afterward. Add a drizzle of oil to a skillet and heat it over high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 2 chicken breasts cut into strips. I patted the chicken breasts dry and haven't seasoned them yet. This helps keep the oil from splattering as much. Sear the chicken over high heat. 2 minutes is more than enough to start. After that, simply flip each piece of chicken over and sear the other side the same way. Once the chicken is seared, set it aside for later. Return the skillet to the heat and add another drizzle of oil if needed. Then lower the heat and add 1 chopped onion. Give it a quick stir, then let the onion cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Once that's done, add about 2 cups of beef broth. If you don't have beef broth, you can use chicken or vegetable broth instead. Then add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And since my broth was unsalted, add a generous pinch of salt as well. Bring it to a boil, and once the broth is bubbling, add 7 ounces of penne. Stir it in well, making sure the pasta is fully submerged in the broth. Then cook over high heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk into a glass and whisk in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir until smooth, then add the mixture to the pasta. The pasta is still about 2 minutes away from being al dente, so it should still be a little firm. Stir over low heat so the cornstarch mixture blends into the sauce and thickens it slightly. Once the pasta is al dente and the sauce has thickened slightly, turn off the heat and add 1 ounce of grated Parmesan. Stir well until the cheese melts and blends smoothly into the sauce. Now all that's left is to add the reserved chicken back to the skillet. Now all that's left is to stir everything together. And just like that, you've got a delicious chicken pasta in a rich, creamy sauce with hardly any cleanup in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out the one I've linked for you here. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the recipes coming next. There are plenty more on the way.